All right, I'm going to go on Facebook. Alexis is helping us on the phone, but she's also texting and Snapchatting on her phone, so I hope that she can hold it still.
It's good.
Okay. All right. So tonight we are going to do a dough bowl tutorial. And, all right. Let me log on here. And share in the group. And if y'all are getting on, if y'all will like the video and share it. Okay, let's see. Let's not have sound. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to get on here so I can see everything. Okay, so before we get started and while we're waiting on some folks to hop on, I was going to show y'all a couple of our new products. And as we get started, we're going to, Alexis is going to zoom in so you can actually see the dough bowl a little bit better than what you've been seeing when I do tutorials. So, so let's start with some of the new items that we have. And so I'm going to show y'all the candlesticks. These are two different sizes that we have. We have the large and then the small. And the large is $20 and the medium is $12.50. And then we have these new asparagus rings and they are $10.50. And so I was gonna show y'all way that you could decorate using these. Add a little pillar candle to the top. These aren't really that tall enough, but the taller ones I have are in my booth at the Stomping Grounds. And you can see more of these items there at the Stomping Grounds. I have some more of these candlesticks and I have a couple different styles too. So these are some of our new items. Everything is on the website except for the candlesticks. We also have the dough bowls that we're going to be using tonight. Those are on the website. They're $30 on sale. They're usually $42, but they're on sale for $30. We also have a couple of those at the Stomping Grounds. And if y'all haven't been there, it's located at 310 Airport Road next to Denali, so y'all go check it out. Alright, so let's get started. And I'm going to move this around. And we're going to start with our dough bowl. Okay, so what I'm starting with is, can you silence that? Thank you. Alright, what we're going to start with is the 22-inch dough bowl that we have. And I got a couple of different things out of the garden. This is some of my succulents, and I just repotted them into a cup, a clear cup, and then with this one I put them in styrofoam with 2 layers, one that I can actually water and the other I cannot, the other to catch the water. So, alright, the first thing that you want to do, if you want to do it, is you can add like a little plastic bag to the bottom of it. A lot of people do it just to kind of act as like a barrier, especially since you're going to have plants in here. That's just up to you if you want to do that. Alright, so I also got some moss, some preserved moss, and this will stay green for a while. Alright, so Lex, if you will, come a little bit closer so they can just see the dough bowl. And then I have a few pieces of pottery, some McCarty pottery, and I chose some bunnies. Then I have another plant, another indoor plant that I picked up at Walmart. So foam blocks, and I went ahead and cut a couple pieces. So I'll show y'all what we're gonna do with that in a minute. So the first thing I did was put the garbage bag down, the little plastic bag, to act as a barrier. And I already know that like kind of my focal point will be the 3 crosses. And these are the 3 crosses that I've used before. One of them is actually broken, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna put those there. And let me turn this down.
Yeah, I can hear it.
You hear it echoing? Mm-hmm. So if y'all are jumping on, if y'all will, please like our video and share it. And there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of put this, Lex, can you hold the camera like kind of at this angle so they can see where it is in the bowl? Okay. Hey, Miss Debbie. All right, so we have just a little bit of room back here, and it's kind of towards the front. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it behind there, and take our succulent. I have put 2 of them there. Wish these were standing up a little bit better, but they're not. All right, so there's that. And then I have these 2 blocks cut for the bunnies, and I'm gonna put my larger bunny back here. And my smaller bunny here. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this flower here and put it towards the front where there needs to be some filling. Okay, and then to fill in the rest of this, what I'm gonna do is get some brown paper, and then I just tear it and, you know, ball it up, whatever size I need. And this will kind of fill in the hole so you don't have to use as much moss. A little bit smaller. Okay, so it's kind of filled in. Get a little piece right here to fill this in. So now that we have our moss, we can just set it on top. So, and I always get the preserved green moss because it stays green and it lasts longer. And I like the green against the brown bowl. And you'll just kind of pull the moss apart and fill it in where you need to. You may have to lift this up some, a little bit underneath there. And this still has the plastic underneath it. And I'm going to leave that there because I don't have a tray for that smaller one. But you, like I said, you can get like a little styrofoam cup and cut the bottom out of it and put it underneath there to catch whatever water will fall from it. And you can use the brown paper too to help kind of position that. What I'll probably do after the lab is I'll probably get a popsicle stick or something and put it in here and tie the succulent with using some wire so that it'll stand up behind that. In the past I've used like lavender behind the crosses and it's really pretty. The brown crosses against the greenery is really pretty. So, but for now we're going to use this moss to help kind of keep it up.
There's brown paper sticking out right there.
You'll have to kind of stuff it down in there. What?
Mark's here.
All right. So we got most of it covered. Kind of pat it down so it's not sticking up too much. And you don't want to clean around your bowl. Kind of pack it in there the best you can. And if you wanted to, you could add like more greenery. You could add this kind of around this. You had some moss balls. I think the different shades of green are pretty together. All right. So that's it. That is your 10-minute spring dough bowl. And after Easter, if you don't want the crosses in there, you could just take these out and you could put like a bird's nest in there, or you could put another indoor plant, whatever you wanted to add to it. Add some more moss balls. It's very easy to do. So, hey, Miss McHenry.
Hey, Shelly. She's
Um,
to get on to me because I haven't done my homework yet.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's it. So let's zoom in on it. Let me see. I can't see what everybody's saying. Thank y'all for joining me. I didn't realize so many people were on here. All right, so this is what it kind of looks like. And if you don't have any pottery to use or any figurines to use, I do have some pretty bluebirds that are, I think, $6 or $7 each. Those are at the Stomping Grounds too. So if y'all will share this video and give us some hearts, we would appreciate it. And thank y'all again for joining us. And I hope everyone has a happy and very blessed Easter. Thank you so much.